In today's class, we will see other forms of Hermite polynomial. That is, we will prove that the Hermite polynomial h(n) of x can be written as 2 power n into exponential of minus 1 by 4 into d square by dx square of x power n. We will prove this result. First, we will consider d by dx of e power 2tx. Differentiating this term with respect to x, we will get 2t into e power 2tx. Now take this 2 to this left hand side, then you will get 1 by 2 into d by dx of e power 2tx equal to t e power 2tx. Now once again we will differentiate this, that is d by dx of 1 by 2 into d by dx of e power 2tx. This is nothing but d by dx of t e power 2tx. Which is nothing but t square e power 2t square e power 2tx. Now this you take this 2 to the left hand side, then we'll get 1 by 2 d by dx of 1 by 2 d by dx of e power 2tx equal to t square into e power 2tx, or left hand side we can write it as 1 by 2 d by dx of whole square e power 2tx is equal to t square e power 2tx. Proceeding like this, we can say 1 by 2 d by dx of whole power n e power of e power 2tx is equal to t power n e power 2tx. Now we will consider exponential of minus 1 by 4 d square by dx square of e power 2tx. We know that e power x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. E power minus x means 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial plus, this term will be minus, so x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. Or in summation notation if you want to write, then this is nothing but sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into minus x whole power n. Okay, we are going to see, going to apply this in this expression, for this expression. So it is equal to exponential of this term, so which will be sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into minus 1 by 4 d square by dx square of whole power n of e power 2tx. Okay, which is equal to, now sigma n equal to 0 to infinity, this minus whole power n is here, so take that outside, so we'll get minus 1 power n by n factorial into this 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. So combining this, we can write it as 1 by 2 into d by dx of whole power 2n of e power 2tx. Okay, here in this step star, we have proved that 1 by 2 into d by dx of whole power n e power 2tx equal to t power n e power 2tx. So here in the place of n, we are having 2n. So this will be sigma n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n divided by n factorial into t power 2n e power 2tx. Okay, and this in e power 2tx is independent of the summation, so I can take e power 2tx outside, hence this term will become sigma n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n by n factorial into t power 2n. I will take this minus sign and combine with this, so it can be written as e power 2tx to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into minus t square whole power n. The summation is nothing but e power minus t square, so it is e power 2tx into e power minus t square, or else we can write e power 2tx minus t square, which is nothing but the generating function of Hermite polynomial. Okay, to prove the required relation, we'll consider this exponential of minus 1 by 4 d square by dx square into sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into 2tx whole power n. It is nothing but sigma n equal to 0 to infinity t power n divided by n factorial into hn of x. Now equating the coefficient of t power n on both sides, equating the coefficient of t power n on both sides, In the left hand side, we will be getting exponential of minus 1 by 4 d square by dx square of sigma n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial. Sorry, I am equating the coefficient of t power n. So, we won't get this summation. So 1 by n factorial into 2x whole power n equal to hn of x divided by n factorial. Now we can cancel off n factorial on both sides, and then remaining term, I'll write the left hand side first, sorry, right hand side first. So hn of x is equal to exponential of minus 1 by 4 d square by dx square of 2 power n x power n. Since 2 power n is constant, we can write in the front. So 2 power n into exponential of minus 1 by 4 d square by dx square of x power n. Hence, we have got the result.